it's Brian with GreyWolf again. So today's video is going to be the final piece in the build, the unboxing of it. So I had to look around for a decent deal. What I ended up with was this Apevia or Apevia or whatever brand. It's their Spirit line of the Power Series power supply. So this particular one cost me about $35. I think it was like $36 and change with tax. However, I've noticed that it's gone up like $12 or $13 since I purchased it, so tax would increase as well. So it'd be somewhere between $45 and $50 now. The key to it though is that it's a 600 watt power supply. So inside you get the power cable, which is, you know, every power supply that I've seen comes with new. And the power supply. There's the screws and the power supply in the box. So you get the power cord, screws, and the power supply. The cool thing about the screws is that they do come in black, which is the most commonly needed screw color. So you don't have to worry about it matching the case most of the time. The power supply comes wrapped in bubble wrap inside the box. It feels sturdy and decent weight. So you get the 20+4, the 4+4, several SATA ends. You even get a few of the Molex cables, the floppy end, which isn't needed anymore these days. And it comes with a double-ended 6+2 for your graphics card configuration. It is a 600 watt power supply, however it is not 80+ certified. That's the one downside, but for this low of a cost, it's kind of hard to beat 600 watts at that price. The reason I went with this one is because any of the 80+ certified ones from EVGA, Thermaltake, Corsair, Cooler Master, they were all above $50, and on top of that they were lower wattages. So the 600 watts, being not 80+ certified but 600 watts, it will run as many watts as any of those 80+ certified power supplies would run, and for a lower price. Just a little less efficient, but for budget builds it's going to be a better option. And so I've purchased a couple of these to put into some builds, and so hopefully we'll be able to get some things going. So anyway, thank you for watching, everyone. Again, if you like our videos, make sure you hit the like button down below. Subscribe to our channel if you want to keep up to date on our videos, and as always, leave a comment down below letting me know what you think of the product, any questions you have for myself or the project, and we'll go from there. So thanks for watching. Have a great day, everyone. Bye for now.